Welcome to the Biomanufacturers Direct YouTube Surface Preparation Learning Series, where today Josh demonstrates how to use a 7-inch hand grinder to prep and polish around engineered floor drains. One of the many challenges of polishing concrete floors is detailing hard-to-reach areas such as corners, or navigating obstacles such as existing structures and the overall imposing floor drain. Unfortunately, if the objective is to produce the most aesthetically pleasing floor possible, bypassing the systematic polishing step process simply isn't an option. To achieve optimal presentation, the hand grinding system must match that of the walk-behind polishing system. The first step is ensuring you have the right equipment and pads for the job. Josh starts by removing the prep cup wheel and replacing it with an 80-120 wheel. To maximize the versatility of the hand grinder, Josh opts to utilize a variable speed controller. This provides Josh with complete control of the hand grinder's power. Incorporating the speed box allows Josh to make instant changes to the aggressiveness of the grinder as needed. Josh uses his years of experience to blend the profile from the floor grinder with the profile of the hand grinder. This will ensure a smooth transition to the polishing steps. Next, Josh installs the Velcro backer, which acts as a host for the forthcoming polishing pads. Again, it's at this point polishing begins, and it's critical to follow the same step process as the walk-behind grinder to ensure a well-blended area. Josh begins with the 100 grit resin polishing diamond pad. Step 2, a 200 grit resin polishing pad. Step 3, a 400 grit resin polishing pad. And for this project, the final step, an 800 grit resin polishing pad. Notice the before and after. Now you have a blended drain area that's equal aesthetically to the primary floor. This process will need to be repeated for all the drain areas within the project. To learn more about any of the products or processes used in today's video, please reach out to your Biomanufacturers Direct customer support representative. And as always, if you found today's video informative, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to select that bell icon to be notified when we post a new video.